Today we are going to make chicken chowmen. So just let's start the recipe. Before starting the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. So first I take noodles and boil it until they cook 80%. Now I take boneless chicken, 250 gram and cut into strips, and add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, half tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of oil, and mix them well and marinate it 15 to 20 minutes and set aside. Now I add half cup of oil and fry the chicken in this oil, and I cook them until it changes this color. Now my chicken is completely cooked and changed this color. Now I put it off in a bowl. There I have some cutted vegetables like carrot, capsicum, cabbage, and I saute them in oil for just a minute. Now we go to white sauce. I add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper and white pepper, and mix them well. Now my sauce is ready. Take a clean pot and add 3 tablespoons of oil, and add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, and add noodles and fry them very well. Now add a sauce which we prepared and mix them well. Now add the vegetables which we sauteed, add chicken. Now mix it well and add ketchup. Now our chicken chowmen is ready. Just enjoy with your friends and your family and garnish with some coriander leaves. And then, ta-da!